Hey guys, so today I'm going to be sharing with you different vegetables that you can get from any market nearby you. For the first one, we have a red cabbage. Number 2, cauliflower. Chinese cabbage. For number 3, eating vegetables equals to a healthy life and healthy living, so you should include them to your diet. Number 4, we have carrots. Number 5, that's a beetroot. It can be used in vegetables and it can be used in juice. 6, we have lettuce, which can be enjoyed when you're eating your salads. Fresh lettuce is very tasty. 7 is broccoli. Number 8 is a cucumber, also enjoyed with salads. It's very tasty and very hydrating.
Salads.
Number 9, that's a cabbage. I got it from my fridge. I ate like 3/3 of it. That is why it's looking like that, but it's also very tasty. For number 10, we have spring onions. You can use them for garnishing, or you can add them to your soups. 10, those are tomatoes. They come in different sizes, different shapes. Yep.
Onions. You're showing Jajala onions.
Number 12, those are fresh coriander leaves, also used for garnishings, and also you can add it to your salads, and it's very healthy. Number 13, we have eggplants. Eggplants come in so many different shapes. That is what I have right now at home. But as you can see, there's so many different shapes of eggplants.
Okay, let me shoot you.
Number 14, onions. My baby is peeling them. Zucchini for number 16. Radish. 18, we have mushrooms. Potatoes for 19. Garlic, I know that is like common to like everyone who is watching this. Endive, 21. Corn. Pumpkin. Asparagus. 25, we have celery. Peas for 26.
A leek.
Leeks, I normally add my leeks to soups. Okay, and the leaves, I use them to also make starter soups. They're very flavorful. Spinach. Spinach can actually be easily grown at home, so you can just like grow it in your home because it's very easy to grow. I have some baby spinach which I've not been able to share with you, but in the future I'll be sharing with you some of the plants that I actually grow in my own home. Kale, bok choy.
A lot of noise.
We have bell peppers. Bell peppers come in so many different colors. Today I have the red, green and yellow bell peppers, but they're also purple,
just like
bell peppers, which are actually not available in my country.
Noise.
But you can search for them and you see them. There's also mushrooms. I showed you earlier on how they look like. 31, we have Radicchio. Brussels sprouts. Okra for 33. Very nutritious. Check out my video. Butternut squash.
Hey guys, so
Kalera, that's number 5. I'm soon sharing a video about its benefits.
It is
36, we have sweet potatoes. Chayote. Daikon. Garden eggs. And for the last one, that is number 40, we have turnips. Thank you for watching, guys.